Hey everyone. So in this video, I will give you an overview of our extension, which is Hover integration for Zoho CRM. So let's get started. So you can easily install this extension from Zoho Marketplace and also from our website. So once you have installed the extension, automatically what you will see, like these modules, Hover job modules, Hover users, Hover jobs, like these three modules will be automatically created into your CRM. So I will show you. As you can see, like these three are the modules. First is Hover jobs. From here, in this module, it will automatically pull all the jobs from your Hover, and it will add it here. So I'll give you an overview how it looks like. So this is a kind of a job, and here's all the details. And same goes for the Hover users. It will automatically pull all your users from Hover to Zoho CRM. And same here goes for Hover job models. So here all the job models will be pulled here as well. So all the information you will see, job ID, status, all the things. So now I'll show you how this extension, works. So once you've installed this extension, and we'll come to the deals module. So as we have some deals here. So I'll just select some random deal. And once you have installed our extension, you will see automatically this button Hover portal will automatically appear here on the top right side. This will happen automatically once you install this extension. So like this is currently the deal, and once you will click on this button, it will automatically take you to this Hover portal. Here you can see like there are some uh, jobs here, and in case you think that there isn't any job which has been pulled here, what you can do, you can simply go to your Hover. For example, you can see this is my Hover account, and there are multiple jobs here. So I'll just select this one and copy its job ID. We'll just paste it there, and it will just simply search. It may take few seconds, and automatically it will be imported. So as you can see, like this was the job which I pulled, like multi-structure home, and you will see here, like, yeah, this is the job which has been pulled automatically. So apart from that, you can also create a new job as well from here, like in which you need to create it from Zoho CRM. So automatically it will fetch all the information from the deal. So it will save a lot of your time. You can select your email, and sign up, type to whom you wanted to assign to, like, and it will ask for some address. And once you selected all this information, you just also need to select deliverables like roof only complete. And once you selected all the information, just simply you need to click on submit. Now as you can see, the job has been created, and automatically once the job has been created, automatically a email notification will be sent to the user. You can also request it through here, by clicking on this button, send capture request. And once you will click here on send, automatically a email notification will be sent. But after you create a job through here, automatically also, as you can see, like we have provided an option of send notification. So automatically a email notification will be sent to the user. Yeah, so as you can see, I just received a email. So as you can see, this is how the emails looks like from Hover. So it says, hey Manav. So it is asking you to like take few photos, and through the Hover app, and just upload it into the Hover. So once the user will go through here and click some photos and upload it through Hover, so we will be able to pull those photos through CRM. So I will show you how we can pull this off. So for that, we just need to go to the Hover portal again, and this thing will work for the once the job is completed. So I will just pull a job here, complete job from here. For example, mm, this is the job. I will just copy its ID and paste it here. Model is successfully imported. 6. So here, as you can see, like this job is already completed in Hover. Yeah, all the images has been already added here. So what now we will do? We will request images. We can request images. So click here. You will see this image. So we can just simply click here on attach images. And automatically, this images will be sent to the deals module. So you will be able to see all these images into the deals module as well under attachments. So it might take a little bit of time to just to get things attached. You can attach some other images as well, like these building images. So I will just click here on attach image, this image as well. Like you can see, image has been attached successfully. Let's try this one as well, and you can see all the images attached. Now after requesting these images from this portal, let's see if this images has been pulled into deals module as well. So let's check that. So just exit from here. Just refresh the deal, and here under attachments you can see that all the pictures that we have requested has been successfully came under attachments. You can also check the images for reference. So as you can see here, like all the images has been successfully imported, and you can see it through deals module under attachments. Apart from the pictures, we can also request the, what I would say, the measurements as well. So let's just test that as well. Like let's just request the measurements. And as you can see, like for this jobs, like there are multiple models. So for each model you can request images and request measurement separately. So like this is the options available here. So now let's just request measurements as well. So here you can select the type, like under which platform you want it to get saved. So for now I'll just select the PDF. You can select any other as well according to you like, and just simply I will click on attach. It will again, it will take a few seconds to just load in and submit it successfully. So I'll just wait a little bit. Now as you can see, the measurement has been attached successfully. So now let's just test and see if that came under the deal module or not. Let me just refresh it again. So here you can see under attachments, now we are able to see the measurement as well. We will just click here and see how that came properly. Yeah, so this is the complete document of measurement, you can see. So all this information has been pulled from the hover, and you can see successfully all the information you are able to see successfully under attachments. So with the help, so this was the overview of this whole extension. So basically this extension helps you to save a lot of time uh, by integrating hover with Zoho CRM. Like under your deals model you can see the attachments, and also you can just simply check the hover jobs, like all the hover jobs which are associated with the deal, and all this information. So I hope the tutorial was helpful, and if you had any question, please feel free to reach out to us, and do let us know if you have any questions regarding it. Thank you so much.